Courts can cause angst under normal circumstances, let alone in the midst of a pandemic.
We've seen a lot more people scared, stressed, worried about the future, and it's really taught our staff to be empathetic, be active listeners, and really try and figure out everything we can about someone's situation.
No staff at Franklin County Municipal Court experiences this more than those who work in the Self-Help Resource Center. In the wake of COVID, a common issue is now their main focus.
Before the pandemic, evictions were about 40% of what we did. Now it's about 73% of what we do.
Anticipating a spike in filings and hearings, the court used some of its Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, otherwise known as CARES funds, to add personnel. One is a staff attorney, the other is a social worker as part of a pilot project.
I like working with people who are struggling because I think that in a crisis situation, there's a lot that you can do. There's a lot of opportunity there.
With eviction cases moved to the Greater Columbus Convention Center, the court also set up a satellite office there for the Resource Center. That location allows for direct access to other departments and organizations to facilitate legal and non-legal services immediately, some of which can be life-saving.
One of my staff attorneys actually noticed while helping her that she more than likely was a victim of human trafficking. So we pulled our social worker in, pulled kind of the whole staff together, talked to her about what was going on.
When the center was created 3 years ago, it averaged 2 walk-in visitors a day. Now it serves dozens. It could be as simple as providing a checklist, translating legalese.
What is it that you're filing? What does it mean? What does it do? Why are you doing this?
Or ultimately empowering litigants.
So it's that sort of navigation, helping people understand how the process works, get where they need to go, and actually have more agency in their own decision.
I'm Chaba Sukos for Court News Ohio.